Team number 3 is down, up, left, right. And team members are Gabriel, Charlotte, Daniel, and Nicole. So can you explain to me a little bit about your system? It looks very interesting, but it's a bit daunting.
Sure. So our system is meant to measure the moisture inside of the plants, the pots. And our motivation for this architecture was that pots typically have a hole in the bottom. And so it's kind of, the idea was to use something that was already existing to, if you wanted to scale it up, say you had a greenhouse, you had 50 pots down a row, and you wanted to make sure that they're all at the right moisture. Well, you have a couple options. You could have a little moisture meter in every single pot. That's a lot. They go bad. If you had to replace just one, that'd be really nice. And so that was kind of the motivation for our project. And as far as another part of the architecture, since we did have all of the pots above, a lot of the projects, it was going down into things. Ours is kind of unique because it's going up into things that are above it. So we wanted to make sure everything was as low and low profile in a vertical direction as possible. That's why everything is on the side for the connections for the bars and for the pulleys. And then the actuator, we have our moisture meter here, and that's bolted directly to a rack and pinion that goes into our servo motor. And we have stepper motors to control the X and Y directions.
All right.
Okay, so before you run it, tell us what we're going to see.
Okay, so what's going to happen is, well, when we plug it in initially, the servo motor is going to move the sensor up and down, so we have to plug it into the power. But once the power is plugged in, the servo motor is going to test this one. It's going to wait a couple seconds, and then it's going to move to this pot, wait a couple seconds, and then it's going to move to this pot and wait a couple seconds, and it would tell the user what the moisture level is. Yeah.
Probing each time.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay, wait. Let's just wait. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so it will probe each of the plants.
Yeah, very nice. So yeah, we have it set to probe 3 as of right now, but it would essentially probe all of the plants.
Excellent. Okay, so that's a 2.5 degree of freedom. Perfect.
Thank you.
I like that you